Hi, today we are doing this little kangaroo, and we start with just a piece of cardboard, just like this. Let me score on this side. We score on 6, and we cut this. We don't need this part, so we can score the rest and avoid confusion with the measures. So we have this, and then we work on this part. We will have 2, 2.5, 3, 5, 5.5. Then don't worry, I will put something because you may not see it right now because of the color. Then, but I will do it and I will show you. Then 2, 2.5, 3, 5, 5.5. Then we get rid of this part and I will show you what we will cut. This is our scoring. Okay, now on this side we have still 2 and 4. Okay, now yes, it's ready. We get rid of the middle side, this, and this, so we have 2 like that, and what we have is something like this, so you can see better. Then we will do this scoring that you can do it with a regular ruler, but if you have your tool for envelopes, then you can basically match the corner from here with the corner from here, then the other from here to here on both sides. Then we fold this side and we match this corner with this line, the first line, and score until the first line that we did. And the same on the other side. This corner, here the first line, here the first line, and we score. So we have, maybe you can see, but what we have is here, this. Then we do that on both pieces, and then we will cut to get something like this. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, better. I don't know. Okay, so you cut here, here, we're aiming to get something like this. I leave this so that you can have a whole picture of the scoring. Then you get rid of this side until here, and the other from here to here. Now we make the flaps, this, another flap, here and here. We're doing this, and one more that we don't have yet, but it's very important. We do this here and this. Then you come up with something like this. Once you have your two parts like this, same here, I am also have two like that. Then it's just a matter of folding. This is to the center. This also goes to the center, just like this side, and the flap has to cover here. Then we score very well. Once again, here to the center, and the flap covers this, and then we score very well. So we do the same, the other, and we get two like this. These are already scored. If you get something like this, you have scored properly. Then both of them are just the same. Now, before gluing or anything, you need two ribbons and one hook like this. Where do you get this? They are from a set of bands. I will show you. You can get this in Amazon, and the hooks come here. Then, so before gluing or anything, you take on one of the sides, this, the one with the flap, the ribbon, to this middle, and put it there. The same on the other side. But on one of them, you put the hook. And now you glue them like this. Here and here. Then you will have something like this. These are already glued. They have the ribbon, and now you have to put them together. You glue one with the other here like this, and you have to wait until it's very dry, and you will have something like this. Now let's do the mechanism part. Oops, doesn't come. Okay, I hope you can see this. It is just let me show in the camera. Oops, there. You just attach one hook and it is all set. And you just glue this and your box is ready to go. Now it's just a matter of deco. We need, of course, you glue here and then in each one of the sides that doesn't have the fold, you glue a piece of paper that is just 1 inch before 2, so it's like 1 inch 7/8, 1 inch 7/8, and then you glue the hearts and you will have this. Then you just need to add your kangaroo. You glue it only on the side that comes in the square, not the head, otherwise it won't work. So only from the body until the head here, and you have your kangaroo ready to go. Thank you.